Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change your Discord playing status. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To change your Discord playing status, here's how to do it. If Discord doesn't automatically detect what you're playing, or you want to display something else as your status, even on gaming activities, you can manually set a custom status. So first things first, open the Discord, click on the user settings at the bottom left of the screen, scroll down to activity settings, and click on registered games. If Discord hasn't automatically detected the app or game you want to show, click on Audit under the No Game Detected message. In the Audit menu, choose the application or game you want Discord to show. Then click Add Game. Now Discord will display the custom game or app you selected as your playing status. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.